Nature's design begins in the quiet groves, where every harvest requires a human
Each
touch.
unique fruit bears a single precious seed protected by a hazardous outer shell.
Separating the nut from the apple demands precision to keep the raw shell intact. Sun drying reduces moisture levels, stabilizing the raw seed before factory arrival. Secured in breathable jute, the harvest is prepared for its journey to the processing facility.
Organization at the staging site ensures a continuous, traceable supply chain.
With the day's yield secured, the raw material leaves the soil behind. The journey from farm to factory bridges agricultural tradition with modern processing power.
Logistics networks ensure that raw goods arrive quickly, preserving internal kernel
Entering
quality.
the manufacturing sector, agricultural goods cross into a controlled environment.
Precision tracking begins immediately on the scale, establishing gross incoming weight.
Verification of origin and batch metrics guarantees absolute traceability.
Approved for entry, the raw cashew load moves directly to the receiving dock. Unloading protocols are synchronized to maintain strict factory throughput efficiency.
With security seals verified, the raw cashew cargo is cleared for
The
physical
raw
intake.
harvest has arrived, ready to face an intricate system of refinement.
Within this modern fortress of engineering, advanced technology refines what nature
Protection of the
grew.
food chain starts with strict boundaries between the outside world and production zones.
Standardized personal protective equipment is mandatory to maintain absolute product purity. Multi-stage hygiene barriers eliminate external contaminants before any worker crosses the threshold.
Decontamination zones secure the internal air quality from microscopic compromise.
A vast network of specialized machinery operates continuously under one
Digital
roof.
oversight centers manage every metric, ensuring synchronization across all production stages.
Raw inputs enter the automated system, moving from human transit to mechanical control. Continuous mechanical transport ensures an uninterrupted feed rate into processing systems. Initial vibration filtration discards loose farm debris, protecting subsequent processing machinery.
Aerodynamic density separation isolates heavy stones from the true raw
High-speed
cashew
optical
lot.
sensors evaluate outer shell integrity at a rate of thousands per minute. Defective shells are instantly culled, ensuring only premium material advances through the line.
Vertical elevators maximize factory space, transferring sorted batches up to elevated holding silos.
Buffer storage units maintain constant volume control, preventing supply bottlenecks across the plant. Precise thermal exposure makes the caustic liquid inside the outer shell less viscous for safer extraction. Rapid cooling stabilizes internal temperatures, preventing overcooking of the delicate interior meat. Precision automated blades slice the tough outer hulls without touching the valuable inner kernel.
Vibratory sorting separates the empty outer husks, channeling them away for industrial fuel reuse.
Human vigilance supplements automation, ensuring no uncracked shells pass deeper into the facility.
Arranged uniformly on open mesh, the kernels are ready for moisture extraction to loosen the inner skin.
Controlled thermal dehydration dries the papery outer skin, preparing it for clean mechanical removal. Exiting the heat treatment, the dried husks are now perfectly primed for the delicate peeling process. Mechanical friction carefully strips away the brittle inner skin, uncovering the pristine kernel beneath. Pneumatic dust collection isolates processing byproducts, keeping the open air completely clean.
Revealed in their final form, the kernels must now be separated by color and shape characteristics.
Advanced multispectral lasers examine every falling kernel, analyzing color deviations instantly.
Separating holes from splits ensures premium batches meet uniform structural grading standards.
Standardized size grading aligns the products with precise international culinary specifications. Moisture balancing prevents the kernels from becoming too brittle during final transit and packaging.
Hydraulic automation lifts heavy bulk materials effortlessly, feeding the gravity-assisted processing lines.
Prepared and classified, the premium lot moves into the high-tech heart of factory automation.
Computer-driven multi-head weighers calculate optimal combinations to reach exact target weights instantly.
Operating at microsecond intervals, algorithmic scaling achieves near-zero product giveaway metrics.
Advanced X-ray inspection scans beneath the surface, identifying dense foreign elements invisible to lasers. Dynamic checking guarantees absolute weight compliance across every single unit leaving the system.
Nitrogen gas flushing displaces life-supporting oxygen, naturally extending shelf life without chemical preservatives.
Ultrasonic energy bonds structural barrier materials cleanly, creating impervious microseams.
Indelible laser coding обеспечивает absolute product tracking throughout its international commercial lifespan.
Real-time automated rejection ensures that non-compliant packaging is culled without stopping main production. Consolidated into a central distribution loop, finished units await high-precision sorting and boxing.
High-speed articulation robotics pack individual consumer units into master shipping cases with tireless speed.
Mechanical case sealing ensures uniform structural box integrity, protecting cargo during heavy shipping stress.
A final pass through extreme metal detection loops secures safety compliance against any metallic fragments.
Scientific validation inside the laboratory confirms that safety and grade metrics meet international food
Mechanical
standards.
texture analysis quantifies crunch profiles, ensuring processing drying phases achieved ideal structural quality.
With testing complete and batches verified, heavy logistics systems manage internal product placement.
Climate-regulated storage environments preserve freshness and oil stability, while logistics coordinates final shipping manifest schedules.
The distribution phase begins as global transport units dock to receive the factory's daily output.
Maximizing available volume, individual batches are tightly loaded to ensure safe transit across oceans.
Sealed under high security protocols, the batch is officially transferred to international commercial distribution.
And this is how modern factories produce fruit food from start to finish.